Let's start with a quick look at this Maserati Levante SUV. I really like this Maserati written detail on it. It's all blacked out, gloss black details. A Startech badge right here. Carbon fiber front bumper with Startech refinement logo. I love the wheels, gloss back wheels with gloss red parts and Startech center. Gloss black Maserati vents with red insides. Alright, let's take a look into the interior. And the interior is for the most part unmodified, except for these Startech floor mats and Startech lit up Startech dorsals here. Black leather, red leather with black stitching. Other than that, standard Maserati Levante inside with a black headliner. I love the red interior. Now let's take a look into the back. Frameless window in the back looks especially amazing with its shape. Alright, so there are actually not Startech dorsals here. So panoramic sunroof, red leather interior as well. As I said, this car does have an amazing wheels. Let's move on to the back. Tinted tail lamps, signature Startech exhaust tips, carbon fiber details right here, nice diffuser, all blacked out Startech, blacked out, yeah,